Our company works hard to provide top-quality service to everyone. Here's your chance to see what others are saying about their experience with us. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves on the highest quality. It's our guarantee. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. And we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.